Hello children, here we are going to see the explanation of lesson number 4, that is plants as a food. For that you have to open page number 36. Okay, so plants as a food. So here we are going to see how we use plants as a food. Okay, let's start. Plants are very useful to us. Most of our food comes from plants. प्लांट्स जो है वो बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है, हमारे लिए बहुत ही यूजफुल है और हमें हमारा बहुत सा खाना, ज़्यादातर खाना हमें प्लांट से ही मिलता है. हियर यू कैन सी द वेजिटेबल्स, द फ्रूट्स एंड राइस, wheat, pulses. These all foods we get from plants only. Look at the shopping cart given below and write the names of food items placed in it. What you have to do? You have to look at this card and you have to write down the names of food item here. So first one is here. What is it? Potatoes. That you have to do. Then tomatoes. Then wheat is here. Then rice. Apples are here. Yes, here are the apples. Then bananas. So you have to do it at home. Okay. Now here we are going to see plants give us food. So dear children, as they told earlier, most of the foods we get from the plants, and it is true, because whatever we eat daily, we always bring it or collect it from the plants only. Okay, we get food from different parts of plants. हमें जो भी खाना मिलता है वो प्लांट के different parts से मिलते हैं. Like you know the parts of plant we have seen earlier. One is the root, stem, leaves, flowers and fruit. Okay, so we get food from different parts of plant. We get vegetables and fruit from plants. So हमें plant से क्या क्या मिलता है? What we get from the plant? We get vegetables and fruits from the plant. We also get cereals and pulses from plants. हमें vegetables मिलते हैं and fruits मिलते हैं. We also get the cereals and pulses. Now, what is the cereals? We are going to see it afterwards. But do you know, जो भी घर पे चावल होते हैं, गेहूँ होते हैं या कॉर्न्स होते हैं, वो comes under the cereals. And pulses में आते हैं जो भी दालें किचन में रहती है, दाल, जो भी हम दाल पीते हैं, तो वो comes under the pulses. Okay, and which we get from the plants. We get coffee, tea and sugar from some plants. और हमें जो कॉफ़ी है, टी है, शुगर है, वो भी हमें प्लांट से ही मिलती है. We also get oil and spices from plants. और हमें ऑयल एंड स्पाइसेस भी प्लांट से ही मिलते हैं. सो हमें प्लांट से क्या क्या मिलता है? वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रूट्स, सीरियल्स, पल्सेस, कॉफ़ी, टी, sugar, oil and spices. So these all the things we get from plants. But do you know, we get all these things from different parts of plants. Okay dear children. Now first one is vegetable. We are going to see vegetables. We eat roots, stems, leaves and flowers of plants as the vegetables. So generally we eat roots, stems, leaves and flowers of plants as a vegetables. So हम जो flower है, roots है, stems हैं and leaves हैं, वो हम as a vegetable करके खाते हैं. Now you can see here we are going to see roots. अब हम कौन से root parts को खाते हैं, कौन से plant के? So beetroot. Beetroot is a root of a plant. Radish also, carrot also. So radish, beetroot, carrot, they are the roots of the plant. Stems. Do you know stems? Yeah. So potato and ginger are the stem part of plants. Okay. Leaves. Now leaves, spinach, lettuce, fenugreek, it comes under the leaves part of a plant. And flowers. So broccoli and the cauliflower comes under the flower. Even here you can see, get it right. Potato and ginger grow under the ground. However, they are stems, not roots. Earlier we have seen whatever the part of the plant which grow inside the ground, under the ground, we call them roots. But here you can see this potato and the ginger, though they are growing inside the soil, but they are not roots, they are stems. Okay, children. So now let's remember. You have to remind it. Name the part of plants we get as a vegetables in each of the followings. Now radish. We have seen here radish. It's a roots. Potato, stems. Cauliflower, flowers. And leaves, spinach. That is, let's remember. Now here you can see fruits. We eat the fruits of some plants. So हम some plants के fruits खाते हैं. हम सभी fruits को खाते हैं क्या? No. Because some are bitter, some are poisonous. So we eat some of fruits from some plants. हम पूरे ही जो भी हमें पेड़ पौधे दिखते हैं उनके fruits और नहीं खाते हैं. Why? Because कुछ कुछ bitter रहते, कड़वे रहते, कुछ कुछ poisonous रहते, तो हम इसलिए some plants के ही fruits खाते हैं. Like apple, orange, grapes, banana, mango. So these are the fruits that we eat. Okay. Now turn the page. Here we are going to see cereals and pulses. Plants give us cereals and pulses. Plants which produce grains that can be eaten are called cereals. Plants grains produce करते हैं. Grains means do you know धान बोलते हैं, धान्य. So जो हम खा सकते हैं उन्हें हम cereals बोलते हैं. Examples of the cereals are rice, wheat, maize and the barley. Here you can see rice. Do you know rice? Chawal. Maize, that is the corn. Wheat, that is the gehu, and barley. So we use these things as a cereals. Okay. Let's discuss. Sanjana says that we cannot eat any plant food without cooking. Do you think she is right? Yeah, she is right. But some parts or some things we can eat without cooking. Like fruits, we can eat without cooking. Like salads, we can eat without cooking. Okay, children. Seeds of certain plants that can be eaten are called pulses. Now, seeds of some plants. So, pulses क्या होते हैं? बीज रहते हैं, जो बीज inside the beans and all. So, जो हम खा सकते हैं उन्हें हम pulses बोलते हैं. Examples of pulses are gram, peas and the kidneys bean. Do you know peas? Matar, kidney beans, rajma, and grams, that is chane. So these all are the pulses. So cereals are the rice, maize and wheat, and pulses are peas, kidney beans and gram. Okay. Now coffee, tea and sugar. We get coffee, tea and sugar from plants. Do you know, children? We get these things also from the plants. Coffee beans से हमें कॉफी मिलती है, ट्री लीव से हमें टी पाउडर मिलती है, एंड शुगर केन से हमें शुगर मिलती है. ओके. सो ग्रीन कॉर्नर. Plants not only provide food, they are also home to stay to many animals. So we should protect plants. So plants हमें सिर्फ खाना ही नहीं देता है, वो दूसरे एनिमल्स को प्रोटेक्ट भी करता है, वो एज उनका होम करके भी यूज़ किया जाता है. सो हमें प्लांट्स को प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहिए फॉर एनिमल्स एंड फॉर अस ऑल्सो. लेट्स रिमेंबर, cross the odd one out in each of the following. What do we have to do? Odd one out, we have to cross it. Cereals. Now we have seen here cereals. Rice, maize and wheat. Rice, wheat, maize, that is maize and sugar. But sugar is not comes under the cereals. So I have circled this sugar here. Roots we eat. Carrot, beetroot and radish. Carrot, beetroot and radish, they are the roots, whereas potatoes are the stem. Now pulses. Gram, peas and beans are the pulses, whereas the rice is the cereals. Now fruits. Broccoli, mango, apple, banana. So these are the fruits, and whereas the broccoli is the flower. Foods we get from plants. Tea, sugar, coffee we get from plant, whereas this milk we get from animal. Okay children. Now keywords. Cereals. क्या होते हैं cereals? Plant which produce grains that can be eaten are called cereals. Plants जो भी grains produce करते हैं और जो हम खा सकते हैं, तो हम उन्हें cereals बोल सकते हैं. लाइक हमारे राइस हो गया, वेट हो गया, मेज हो गया. सो दिस कम्स अंडर द सीरियल्स. गेहूं, चावल, बार्ली. पल्सेस. सीड्स ऑफ सर्टेन प्लांट्स दैट कैन बी ईटन आर कॉल्ड पल्सेस. सो जो कुछ बीजें आती हैं किसी भी प्लांट से जो हम खा सकते हैं, उन्हें हम पल्सेस बोलते हैं. तो जिसमें दालें आती है, दाल आते हैं, ग्राम्स आते हैं, किडनी बीन्स आते हैं, पीस आते हैं. ओके. समरी. Plants gives us fruit, vegetables, cereals and the pulses. Plants हमें क्या क्या देते हैं? Fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses. We also get tea, coffee, sugar, oil and spices from plants. हमें और क्या क्या मिलता है? Tea, coffee, sugar, oil, spices from the plant. We eat the roots, stems, leaves and flowers of a plant as a vegetables. हम क्या क्या खाते हैं plants के पार्ट? Roots, stems, leaves and flowers. Carrot, radish, beetroot and turnip are some of the roots that we eat. हम plants के roots भी खाते हैं. Okay. Sugar cane and potato are some of the stems that we eat. Some stems को भी खाते हैं. Stems part of the plant. तो जो है sugar cane and potato. Cabbage, lettuce and the spinach are some of the leaves that we eat. Leaves को भी खाते हैं हम, तो वो है cabbage, lettuce and spinach. Cauliflower and broccoli are some of the flowers that we eat. Flowers को भी खाते हैं. We eat fruit of some plants such as mango, apple, orange, grapes and banana. हम कुछ प्लांट्स के फ्रूट्स भी खाते हैं, जैसे कि मैंगो हो गया, एप्पल, ऑरेंज, ग्रेप्स एंड बनाना. Wheat, rice, maize and barley are some of the cereals that we eat. हम सब सीरियल्स को भी खाते हैं. तो उसमें गेहूं हो गया, राइस हो गया, मेज, बार्ले हो गया, तो वो हम खाते हैं, जिसे हम सीरियल्स बोलते हैं. ग्राम, बीन्स, kidney beans are some of the pulses that we eat. हम कौन से pulses खाते हैं? Gram, peas, beans and kidney beans. Okay dear children, so this is all about plants as food.